guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have some happy mail. This is coming from my friend Erin, and she found this box of fun stuff for me. This is a vintage note card, all occasions, with, it says it was $3. It's probably from the 70s, I would think. I don't know if it's totally 70s. I don't see a date on it, but it's super cute. I love it, and it has a bunch of different items in it. So let's see. The actual cards that came in it, I'll show those to you first, and then I'll show you the other stuff. So there are several. This is an additional one. Here are the cards, and then the envelopes are with them as well, but they're super bright, really cute illustrations. Definitely 70s. They are like a linen, sort of like a watercolor paper. Really pretty. There's that one with the little baby and the flowers. This one has the two little kids on the swing. Here is a mermaid underwater. The envelopes are kind of cool too, because look at that. I just think that is just a unique envelope. Here's one that has a donkey. This one has the little kids with the flower hats. And then another one of those. This one's really cute with a poodle. Another mermaid. Another poodle one. This one has, looks like a little postman carrying packages. There's an artist. And then this one's super cute. The little girl in the water with the ducks. And another one of the postmen. So those are really adorable. Love them. And then there were other cards in the box. This one here with the little girl with the umbrella. And I'm not, it looks like it's a, I'm not quite sure how that goes, but I guess it's just supposed to be three-dimensional, I guess. But really cute. It has a sticker on there too. And then here's some little tiny cards. There's that one. Look like wedding little gift cards. This one is a little cute little Easter card, I think, or baby card. This one has penguins. That's really cute. And then another little gift card. And a couple more baby gift cards. And then this one, it's just like a little note card. Looks like it's the old something church in Boston. Old Worth Church? I'm not sure. So another one of these roses gift cards, and then here's a baby card. Really cute. And then here is another box of note cards, and it's for the busy housewife. And these are a textured card as well. You know, when they used to hang their clothes on the line. Between my pressing duties. That reminds me, my mom told me that when she was in college that she would iron. I mean, that was back in the day when like all the guys wore button-up shirts and wore ties and dress pants to class in college. So she got paid 10 cents a shirt she made a little business out of her dorm room and ironed shirts for anybody that needed a shirt ironed, I guess. Oh, here's one just to let you know what's cooking. That's cute with the little dog and the cat down there. And these ladies are at the market. Another clothesline there. Yeah, so those are really cute. Cute vintage cards. So that was fun. Thank you so much, Erin, for this. I am going to use these, I'm sure, in my journal. I have been collecting like 70s colorway for journals, so eventually I'll get to that. I'll get through Christmas and then maybe think about doing other like era journals or something like that. But super cute. I love these. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.